Yes. So next one we'll go with next some other questions. Okay. 43.
What are you teaching now?
Yes. Some other questions, case-based questions for the CBSE, as well as some questions which is related for the 3 marks and 2 marks.
Okay.
In CIT you are practicing those book what I have given.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
You got the notes right? I given in the classroom itself. That Oswald publication plus a CDF, and after that you go to that NCERT solution book I have given to someone for the CBSE Engine KA. Please take it down from there. Trisha, are you there in class? It's not there. Join ಆಗಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 5 minutes ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ. We'll start. So the next one is that force per unit length of a two parallel conductors carrying a current. Okay. So for the CBSE, they may give like the two conductors and some explanation regarding that you need to find out in some question paper. You can see it. Okay. I have sent one paper, right? You can see there some case-based question in the last part C section. Okay. So for the PU students, this may ask for the 5 mark. Okay, please go through this. Let me start. Expression for a force per force per a unit length, okay, of two parallel conductors. Two parallel conductors carrying a current. Carrying a current. Okay, is it clear? So let me take you two conductors.
Ma'am, you started just now, no?
Yeah, just now. Okay, I will take it two conductors, so which are having the same length, and these two conductors are separated by some distance d. Okay, let me denote as this is the conductor A, this is the conductor B, and I can take like a force is here and the magnetic field is here, which are both are perpendicular to each other. So then let me take it as the current flowing through the first conductor as the IA, and the what is the current flowing through the second conductor is the IB. Okay, so I already told you that whatever, if it is a current carrying a conductor means how the flow of motion of electrons, along with that the electric field will be there. So apart from that, around the moving charges there will be a both the fields like electric field as well as the magnetic field, but any conductor it won't experience its own magnetic field. Okay, whatever the magnetic field is produced by the first conductor will be experienced by the second one, and whatever the magnetic field produced due to the second conductor B, which will be experienced by the first conductor. Okay, so according to Ampere's law, I can write like according to Ampere's law, BA is equals to mu naught IA for the first conductor IA or divided by 2 pi d. Okay, so this is the magnetic field due to the first conductor. Okay, so if the conductor is carrying a current IB, okay, will experience the sideway force from the due to the field, right? Due to the field of a magnetic field BA, right? So whatever the direction of the force, it is towards the conductor A, right? So the direction of this force is always towards the conductor A. So then let me write for the FBA, the force due to a B towards A, the force on the segment of a L. Okay, let me take a segment of a L of a B conductor due to A. Let me write it as the FBA, which is equals to, you know, that BIL sin theta. Here the magnetic field is due to a first conductor and I is due to a second one, right? So FBA. So then let me write like FBA is equals to BA. I'm having that mu naught IA IB into L divided by 2 pi d. Okay, then IA and IP. Okay, so then this is the force due to the two parallel conductors. Okay, from B to A. Okay, so similarly, if you write for the FAB, okay, the FAB is always opposite in a direction of the B. So because the force A due to the B, the current direction may change. So then FAB, I can write it as minus of FBA, or FBA which is equal to the minus of FAB. Okay. So then let me write like the force per unit length. Okay, the force per unit length I can write like FBA divided by L is equals to FBA I am having as a mu naught IA IB into L divided by 2 pi d into L, right? LL got cancelled, then FBA by L is equals to mu naught IA IB divided by 2 pi d. Okay, this is the force per unit length of a two parallel conductors carrying a current. Okay, clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please take it on fast. They may ask one case-based question from this. Try to understand the theory part.
Ma'am, all these derivatives and formula are important, ma'am, for natural space.
Yes. Term exam.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll go with some problems in the current electricity. Some students have messaged from the, they wish some questions from the current electricity. We'll go with that. You will get the problems from the current electricity. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
For the CBSE as well as the PSC also. We will go with that.
Ma'am, we can also write F bar AB equal to minus F bar BA. Done. Last one, last one. Okay.
You people need to do a little faster.
Done, done, ma'am.
Done.
No.
Expression. Numerical. Is a 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 electrons upload to a conductor of given cross section. Given cross section in unit time. In a unique time of length meter and breadth breadth 0.5 meter. Find the current and drifter loss. Current measurement. Do it fast.
Ma'am, VD. Okay, sorry. What is the correct one?
Yes. What is the correct? What is the current? I is Q by T. Current material is right? NAD divided by T, and that is the number of electrons is the at 1.5 divided and this is the charge of the electron is the 1.46 to 10 to the power of minus 990, right? Divided by T is how much? Negative 10 to 1. Okay, then it's 10 to current ampere. After terminal value.
Ma'am, the answer 3.6 into 10 power minus 11.
How much you got it? 0.5 into 1.6. 0.6
Into 10 power minus 11.
minus
11. Which is 3.6 36 into. Okay.
next question. A wire of a wire of 10 to the power minus 8 by a cross-section carries a current of 1.5 ampere if the number of electrons per cubic meter is into 10 to the power of 28. Calculate the current density and average to the velocity. To it fast, area is given, current is given, number of electrons are given. So then charge of electron, you need to find out the J and V, right? J is equals to I by A. So then V is equals to NE, J is equals to I is equals to NE, right? Between current and different velocity. I is equals to NE then I is equals to NE divided by T. Do it. J is equals to total current per area. Total current is the 1.5 and the area is the 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Tell me the value of A.
What is it written on 1.2? Okay. Ma'am, is it 0.75 into 10 power 8?
1.5 divided by 2, right? So 0.75
Into 10 power 8.
0.75 into 10 power 8 ampere per meter square. So then substitute here, N is the number of electrons is how much? into 10 to the power of 28. Charge of electron is a 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19, right? Minus 19 into area is the 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 divided by I is the 1.5. Tell me the value of ED.
Ma'am, is it 2 into 10 power 8, ma'am? For VD equal to NEA by I.
What?
For this one, ma'am, for the formula for this one, ma'am, 8 into 10 power 28 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into 2 into 10 power minus 8, ma'am, it is written.
2 into 10 to the power of minus 8, yes.
Okay, ma'am. I mean 17.0667 into 10 power 10 into 10.
Tell me the power value. So it's around 17.06 into
Yes.
plus 28 minus 19, right? Minus 19.
9. 1, ma'am.
Minus 8, no. 1. 10 to the
Yeah,
power,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
I can write like
170.6
170 meter per second.
meter per
Clear? Then can I go for next one? How many people are doing? I don't know. These papers, after writing term exam, these papers will send to the board. You know that? Do you know that? You can't manipulate anything. We can't give you any marks.
It
Once
will
you
be
done,
to the
you need
internals,
to
ma'am.
send your papers to board. This is a board exam. Then
Okay,
what
ma'am.
you people are feeling, I don't know really. And your exam should be offline. That is also, please keep it in your mind. Done?
Done.
Next, third question. Two wires of same material and length have resistance of 5 ohm and 10 ohm respectively. Find the ratio of radii. Find the ratio of radii of the Do it. Resistance is given and you need to find out the radius. Do it. If you think like, if you write something, your madam is going to give you a marks, please leave that from your mind. I'm never going to give you the single 0.5 marks also as your wish. Please keep it in your mind. Try to do your work. Your hard work minds a lot. Okay. That is only will give you the marks. And these papers directly will send to the board. I never even check it. I'm never gonna check your papers also. I'll directly send the papers. It's your fate. How much seriousness you are having about your term exams? Really, I don't know. Do this. I'm going to take a picture of who are attended. Tell to your friends also. Ma'am has taken pics. Maybe you're going to get attendance shortage also. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಹಂಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೆಟರ್. Only 51 students. Only Anjum KLA 91 ಇದಿಲ್ಲ, 35 ಇದಿಲ್ಲ. Check it. Do it. What is the resistance of the first wire? ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ. That much attitude.
R2 is equal to 10 ohm.
Yes. So let me take a resistance radius of the first wire as R1 and the resistance of the second wire is R2. So length of these two wires are same, right? The two wires have the same material and made up of the same length. So can I write it as L1 is equal to L2 is equal to L, Anshul? Is it okay? Can I
Yes,
take
ma'am.
like this? Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Because both are having the same length, right?
Same length.
Yes. Then let me write the relation between the resistance and the resistivity of the wire, and the resistance is equals to the R into L by A, where area of the wire is the pi R square. Okay. So let me write here as the R1 is equals to rho L divided by pi R1 whole square, and R2 is equals to rho L divided by pi R2 whole square. Okay, so let me take a ratio R2 by R1, find the ratio of the radius of the two wires, any two, R1 by R2, R2 by R1. So let me write like a rho L divided by pi R2 whole square divided by rho L divided by pi R1 whole square. I may cancel like a rho L, pi and pi, so then I can write like R2 by R1 is equals to capital R2 by R1 is equals to small r1 by R2. Okay. So then this one I can write like, R1 whole square divided by R2 whole square. So then this one I can write like R1 by R2 is equals to root over R2 by R1, right? So where R2 is the 10 ohm, 10 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 twos are root 2. Root 2 means, so you will get it as a root 2 by 1. So then R1 ratio R2 is equals to a root 2 ratio 1. Okay, is it clear? Take it down fast. Done?
Ma'am, last one.
Yes.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Next problem. Find the internal resistance of a cell. For you, this kind of questions, they may ask in the 3 marks and 2 marks. For the CBSE people, MCQ questions more. For the internal resistance of the, find the internal resistance of a cell. Let me draw a diagram. Here it is a one cell resistor, process cell, voltmeter is connected. The cell voltage is a 10 volt. Here it is a 9.9 volt, and resistance is
Resistance of cell, ma'am.
yes, internal resistance of the cell. So you can see here the 10 ohm resistance is connected to the series with the cell, right? Is a connected series with the cell. So which is having the EMF of the 10 volt, and the voltmeter is connected to the parallel to the cell. You can see it here. The voltmeter is connected parallel to the cell. So then it reaches a 9.9 volt. So you need to find out the internal resistance. Please do it. What is the internal resistance formula? Small r is equals to yes, small r is equals to small r is equals to E minus V
A
by
minus V by V
to capital R.
into capital R.
So then what is the E?
10 ohm
10 ohm minus
minus 9.9 by 10.
9 only, no? E is 9.9.
Okay, ma'am.
EMF of the cell is the 10
Into
volt.
R.
V is the 9.9 volt, and R is the 10 ohm.
Into 10, which is 0.1 by 9.9.
0.1 by
9.9. 1 by 9.9.
huh? 0.1
Ma'am, 0.0101. Sorry, ma'am. 0.101. Correct. It's 0.101.
next one same. So I'll give you find the internal resistance of the cell. Let's do it. Then what is the value? Done. What is the value?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the value, Aditya?
No, ma'am. I didn't do this.
91.15.
91 point.
15.
Is it correct?
Ma'am, can you once calculate, ma'am?
R is equals to 0.5 minus 1.3 divided by 1.3 into 5. Is a 1.2
Ma'am, it's 4.62, ma'am.
divided by 1.3.
6 divided by 1.3. 4.61. 4.62, ma'am.
4.62.
Yeah, 4.62.
4.615. So let me write like 4.62. Who got this answer? That is wrong. Please check it. Done? Any other queries? You need to write for the 35 marks physics. Okay. CBSE board paper I explained, and the term paper is also I explained for the PU paper also. Okay. So then these papers are we need to send for the board. Okay. The corrections won't be happen here. Okay. Is it clear? So then try to keep that point in your mind and write it.
Ma'am, the question paper is coming from board, ma'am.
Yes. This is a board term paper. Please keep it in your mind.
Okay, ma'am.
35 marks. They will reduce to half. The new people, I don't know how you are going to do it. How serious about this. So in the previous year, you are going to write one exam. Now it is like a 4 exam. They are going to divide. You say as your wish. It's up to you people. Please keep it in your mind and do the work. Okay. Is it clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Oh, fine then. Chalo, we can end the class for today. So if anything, you can let me know. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.